Say now, yell, action!
Action!
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brian here. Welcome to another episode of Brian's Republic, home of the game overs. We have another unboxing for you. I think it's going to be a good one. All right, guys, we have another unboxing for you today. I have been busy on the interwebs, on eBay and on Amazon, ordering stuff for Brian's Republic and its studio and my studio. So we have ordered 2 panel lights, and the 2 panel lights are going to be for... I still don't know yet. Until I have everything with me, I'm not going to bolt anything down onto the ceiling or anything just yet. But these are 2 panel lights from Neewer. Neewer. It's Neewer. Yeah, let's get this unboxing going. Put on my hat. Why? We'll wear the hat. So I'm wearing the hat. Okay, let's get this unboxing going. Got the box here. Can you see the box?
Sort of. I don't see the name.
It's okay. I have my trusty Sheffield knife.
You can see that.
We're gonna get it open.
Good.
My director of photography over there is very chatty. Chatterbox. All right. Got the side here. Ooh, so excited.
I'm so excited.
There we go.
Oh,
Here we are. Look at that. Neewer LED NL480. It's a 28 watt. Maximum luminance is 3300 lux. Pretty good. And it's a bicolor, 3200K and 5600K.
what is it?
It's a light. And we have another one here.
What is it?
Okay, put that down there. This is the stand. 2 Neewer stands. They are very thin and very small. What else do we have here? Oh, we've got the carrying case for it. Pretty cool. All right, that's good. Let's throw that over there. Oh.
Did you hear
All right, first let's do a quick look at the stands.
that? Daddy, can I push it down? You can't see it.
Okay, push it down. Other way.
Yeah, good.
Okay, can you see it now?
Like, have you wear a hat? I can...
Okay,
Okay.
open it up. All right, look at that. It's a pretty nice stand, actually. Very thin metal on the little supports here,
It's tiny.
but it's pretty good. It's cute.
It's cute, like a baby.
This is supposed to go, I think, up to 6 feet.
You know
So
what?
that is what that looks like. Okay, and now we're gonna go and take a look at what one of the panel lights look like. Okay, yeah.
Last time I saw a miniature tripod, guys.
Oh yeah,
Actually did.
you did. Perfect.
Remember that?
I did. Okay, let's see this. Ooh, look at that. Some more plastic. Comes in a case. It's very small, actually. So it's just a bit bigger than my hand. Give you an idea.
It's as big as your head.
Almost as big as my head, yeah. 2 zippers, pretty cool. Here we go. We got another one of these. Check that out. All right, so we've got some silicone here, silica powder or silica beads. Here's the unit itself. Can you see that?
The other side.
Look at that.
The other side.
Hold on. There's the other side. There's the panel on it. And you see... No, there isn't. There it is. There's the panel. Here's the diffuser. You can see the panel. Okay. The panel. Here's the diffuser. Oh, that feels good. There we go. There's the diffuser. Ready to go. Wow, it's pretty metal.
Look at the back side.
A little bit of hard plastic here, but this is metal for sure. That's metal. got 2 things for batteries here, which I don't have, which is I can probably buy later on. I have a white and yellow brightness knob, and that's for the DC. Perfect. And then, oh, look at that. It actually hooks onto there. And here's the DC power. And here is the other cable here. Perfect. Okay. So, now that we've got that out of the way, let's plug this in and see how it looks. Little twisties here.
What are those called? Ziplocks. No, not Ziplocks.
Garbage ties? I don't know. Neewer power supply.
Daddy, that's what they used to do this. To do my thing.
Perfect. Okay, let's plug this baby in. So that's that. Can you see the panel?
Yep, I can see it.
Okay. Let's turn it on. Let's turn on the light.
Ooh, it's a bit bright. Guys, look at it.
Whoa. That's pretty good.
Oh, Daddy.
You okay?
Turn it off.
That's pretty good.
Turn it off.
Holy moly.
Turn it off.
And you can put yellow as well.
Yellow?
Yellow light. That's really bright. Let's check it out with the diffusion.
What's
Put on the diffusion here.
I
We're gonna diffuse the light. Lock it in. This is the diffuser right here. It'll make the light a little softer. So white. Here we go. Let's turn it on. It has to be bright. Here we go.
Whoa, it looks so cool now. Do the yellow.
There's that brightness.
Where's the yellow?
It's about the size of my hand.
Where's the yellow?
There's that white.
Where's the yellow?
Okay, the yellow's coming. There's the yellow. Let's right now I'm being lit up by the ring light. Let's go and do a recording of the video with both of these panels on here. So, all right, let's turn off the ring light and we'll get things going.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is my setup with the ring light. Right now, just the ring light. Before I had this also shining on me. Has my little diffuser here. It's a little Home Depot work light with a Philips bulb. It's a little clamp light, but the Philips bulb was 5,000K. So it's only 5,000K. This ring light is 5,500K. And now we're gonna turn this light off and we're gonna turn on those other, the 2 new lights. Okay.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so here is the brightness now. What we got here is the maximum brightness of the 2 panels. These have 460 bulbs in it, and half of it, of that 460, is the whites, and the other half is the yellow, 3200K. This is 5600K for the color temperature, and I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully this lighting looks good. This is, I believe, what do they call it here? The NL480. All right, I guess that is it for this video, guys. If you like the ring light, let me know in the comment section below. If you liked the 2 Neewer lights on the left and the right, let me know as well. I'd really like to know your opinion. If you liked my video, please consider hitting that like button. If you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified, hit that notification bell as well. Yeah, I'm super excited. There are a few more lights and a few more items that are coming in for the studio. I'm learning slowly but surely how to light myself properly with these LED lights. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you have a great night, a great day, wherever you are in the world. Again, my name is Brian. This has been another episode of Brian's Republic, home of the game overs. We'll see you guys soon. Cheers.